Hello guys, good morning. It's your Ingeniero Joper and welcome back to my channel. Andito tayo ngayon sa isang Petron gasoline station and we are going to make a review about the fuel consumption of my MG5 with the upgraded mugs or upgraded wheels. So 18-inch na wheels natin from RX5, and included to this video, I would like to share with you kung kamusta yung height ng MG5 na mayroong RX5 mugs with fully loaded na passenger. So ayan guys, oh. So this is the fully loaded na MG5. Ayan. Makikita natin sa fender. Ayan. So hindi labas yung tire. So we are safe there. At the same time, makikita natin na hindi pa sumasayad yung wheels sa fender. And I think dito wala tayong problema. So I just hope na okay tayo on the long ride. By the way, yung passenger or including everybody, driver, si Mrs., si mother, si mami ko, Tita Jo, and Ate Chona. So 5 adults. So ayan guys, pinapagas na full tank. I-reset natin yung odometer natin para ma-compute natin yung fuel consumption by first click. So ayan guys, 5 adults and then 1 kid, mga 8 years old, and then Caleb, which is 3, and then Gideon, 1 year and 5 months. Kita naman natin na goods yung ride natin. So I just hope, siguro hinay-hinay lang tayo sa lubak kasi nga medyo bumaba siya. Or hindi siya bumaba, medyo malapit na siya sa fender. I would like also to share with you na meron akong gagawin sa suspension ng unit ko. So watch out for my next vlog about that. So ayan guys, hinihintay natin yung pag full tank nito. Kinakabahan ako sa presyo guys. By the way, nung nagpag-gas ako, 2 bars na lang yung remaining. So from 2 bars, tignan natin kung ilang liters para mag full tank. Ayan, oh. 30 liters na. Paghapon. Wala, full tank, wala pa. Nag-first click na? Oo. Hawa mo na to? Oo. Okay, ka na lang. Okay na. So, ayan guys. Pasok na tayo. Punta tayo sa trip 2. Kasi itong trip 2 is yung long term. Set natin to 0. So, yan. 0 yan lahat. So, full tank tayo. And then, we will travel. Set din natin to 0. Ayan. So, odo natin is 28,900. So, maglo-long drive tayo to the north, back and forth. And let's see kung ano yung fuel consumption niya with new mugs at the same time, fully loaded. Ayan, oh, fully loaded. Say hi. Ayan, guys. Say hi, Gideon. So, ayan, guys. Let's go and I will make a separate review about the feel or my experience about the new mugs. So, I'll see you later, guys.
The next day.
So, ito guys update for our test for the fuel consumption with the upgraded mugs. So, lumipas tayo na isang araw or overnight kasi gabi na kami nakauwi yesterday. So, ngayon, it's Sunday, came from church. So, somehow, it's going to be mixed na. Hindi na siya long drive. Maybe 75% long drive, then 25% is yung traffic or sa city. Kasi some part of our area is traffic. So ito, we traveled 224.2 kilometers and then nasa mga 10 hours nakaandar yung engine. And also yung fuel consumption niya is 9.2 liters per 100 kilometer. So, check natin mamaya guys kung kamusta ang fuel consumption niya. Kasi magpapagas tayo ngayon dito sa Petron. Full tank natin siya ulit. Watch out and we will see kung may effect ba ang pag-upgrade ng mugs sa fuel consumption. So, wait for a minute. Ito na tayo. So, ipapa-full tank natin to ng first click. Baba tayo guys. Okay? First click lang. Alright. So, eto guys. Naka-mugs siya. Eto. Kakalinis ko yan kaninang umaga. Ayan. Medyo loaded pa rin. So, same yung distance niya. Hindi sumasayad. Kasi, wala akong mafe-feel dito na sumasabit. So, hindi siya sumayad. Sir, sa pangalan mo, sir? Steven. So, vlog-vlog lang na ako. Akong gikuha ng fuel consumption sa pag-upgrade na ako sa mugs ba. Kung na ba siya epekto. Medyo nibugat man gamay. Okay. Ayan, naka first click na. 26.625. Alright. So, ito guys, compute natin ha. Pa-help tayo kay Mrs. The total traveled kilometer is 224.4 divided by 26.6. Wow! Fuel consumption, long drive, including yung medyo may traffic, 8.436. Parang hindi kakapaniwala guys. So, maybe we'll do another one next time.
Lesser siya?
Oo, lesser.
Grabe lesser.
Masyado. Kasi hindi ako sure kung kahapon naisagad ba talaga yung full tank or naisagad ba ay yung first click. Maybe let's do another 2. Okay? So watch out lang guys. So let's based on the computer calculation here na itong 9.2. So ang gagawin natin dyan is 100 divided by 9.3 or 9.3 na yung reading niya. 9.3. Supposedly 10.75 yung fuel consumption. There's a possibility na mayroong discrepancy. So, let's do another test next time. But for the first try, yun, 8.43 kilometers per liter kahit na long drive. Though, loaded kami kahapon with 5 adults and 3 kids. So, ayan. Thank you for watching. It's your Ingeniero Chopper. I'll see you on my next vlog. Stay safe. God bless. Drive safe.